Welcome back. Today we are making these absolutely delicious monster Butterfinger cookies. To make the cookie dough, we're going to cream together 1/4 cup of salted butter with 1 cup of light brown sugar. We're going to cream this together by mixing the 2 ingredients on a high speed until they're fully combined. The reason we want to do this is we're going to help incorporate air into that butter, and that's going to give our cookies a really wonderful texture. Next, it's time to add our 2 large eggs in, one at a time. It's really important that your eggs are at room temperature because they'll mix into that butter and sugar mixture so much more easily if they are. If yours aren't, you can always pop them into a bowl of warm water, which will bring them to room temperature in about 5 minutes. Once both of our eggs are mixed into our batter, you can see it really has a wonderfully silky and light texture. And then it's time to add in all the good stuff. So we're adding in 3/4 cup of chunky peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, along with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to mix this all together on a medium-high speed because that peanut butter can be a little bit thick and you need a relatively high speed to really incorporate it into your cookie dough. Feel free to scrape the sides and the bottom of your bowl as needed with a rubber spatula to make sure everything is getting incorporated. Next, we're adding 2 cups of quick oats, 2/3 cup of chopped up bits of Butterfinger, and 1/2 cup of sprinkles of your choice into our batter. We're going to fold these in with a rubber spatula and continue to mix until all of our oats are really well coated in our cookie dough. You could use a hand mixer too. I just prefer using a rubber spatula because I don't want to break up those big chunks of Butterfinger or break up any of my sprinkles. Once our cookie dough is all ready to go, it's time to scoop out our cookies. I like to use a cookie scoop like this, which has a capacity of about 3 tablespoons, and with that I can make 18 uniformly sized cookie dough balls. It's really important that you chill your cookie dough balls once they're scooped to help prevent them from overspreading and to help make sure they turn out nice and chewy. Once they've baked in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 10 to 11 minutes, it's time to decorate them. I love to top them with some fun candy eyeballs, additional bits of chopped up Butterfinger, and some colorful sprinkles. These cookies really are so delicious and they are packed with that crispety, crunchety, peanut buttery taste of Butterfinger. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully, I'll see you guys again soon.